It's not just your face or your voice. It's your eyes. All the things I see in your eyes.
What is it you see in my eyes?
I see a crazy fool.
They say hell hath no fury like a woman scorned. Life a bitch, I've been feeling her rap since I was born. Been struggling since a youngin', I'm like, what's going on? Need some support, but people just telling me stay strong. And this bitch I got, I know that she won't stay long. She running game and think I don't know, I just play along. Been living my life and praying like what I'm doing wrong. Been asking for it, so I guess you can say this your song. Fuck love, that shit could put an end to me. One word to describe us a discrepancy. Pass me a backwood, clearing my mind medically. I fell in love with you, girl, but it happened accidentally. I know life's a cycle, I'll get over shit eventually. Stupid of me to confide in you for longevity. When it came to lying, you did that shit professionally. But from me to you, it was fidelity. Every day I'm on a mission. Niggas act like I'm living with no permission. Only family, fuck opposition. Don't trust these bitches, have you in front of morticians. I need weed, guns, money, and ammunition. The recognition that you get as a musician. Out of place, call me in this position. This is a phase, I'm making my transition. Now I'm bodying Hennessy, thinking about all the fights that were stemming off of jealousy. Making you feel good, it was my specialty. When we were together, I thought that we could hit 70. You wasn't there mentally, you said I needed therapy. Damn, fuck me up more than my enemies, and you ain't do it sensibly. No empathy, so I guess loud and the liquor was the remedy. They go good together for me, I could feel the chemistry. And secondly, she always talking about her pregnancy. I guess this was my destiny, and this just wasn't meant to be. Love is a war zone, so stock up on your weaponry. Hurting ones you care for, leaving with no integrity. It could fuck you up mentally, cause this shit ain't real. I'm from the bottom where they kill, trying to come up off them scales. With them boys is on your heels, like nigga, fuck how you feel. Every day a cat get peeled, cause niggas playing with steel. So every day I'm on a mission. Niggas act like I'm living with no permission. Only family, fuck opposition. Don't trust these bitches, have you in front of morticians. I need weed, guns, money, and ammunition. The recognition that you get as a musician. Out of place, call me in this position. This is a phase, I'm making my transition.